Welcome to Washington America Show with international multimedia journalist, multidimensional, multifaceted artist and director of Human Rights Justice Council USA, Dr. Kashif Sohail. There's one world inside water. This world contains many animals and plants. These animals are called as aquatic animals. They have their separate lifestyle. These animals live completely different from normal living beings. They have an entirely different respiratory system. Their respiratory system has provision to breathe inside water but not on the ground or a land area. Aquatic animals take oxygen inside the water. Therefore it is said that aquatic life is very much different and opposite to a normal terrestrial life.
With increasing water contamination and spilling of oils in seas and water bodies and increasing incidences of trapping activities by humans, this aquatic life is trapped in danger situations. Aquatic life is one part of many life cycles that exist to maintain equilibrium of entire life cycle. Food chain is highly dependent on the aquatic animals. Thus aquatic life has an immense importance in this world. Therefore, it is necessary to keep a good balance of their life.
If seawater and ocean water are polluted, then it affects the aquatic life. Many aquatic animals face death because of polluted water. As water is the only source of oxygen they have, if this source is polluted, then for sure it will affect their life. It needs a huge research to understand the life cycle of aquatic animals. Aquatic life is too complex. Many animals in aquatic life are not defined yet, and there are many new species that are born each day. They are not discovered yet, or not specified, or not named yet. The vastness of aquatic life is the reason that it is to maintain a deep knowledge of aquatic life.
There are many species inside water. Each animal inside water has different respiratory system. Few animals breathe through their gills while few breathe directly through their skins. Oxygen gets dissolved in water. Aquatic animals extract this oxygen to maintain their respiration. Normal living beings that live on Earth except amphibious animals cannot breathe inside water. Similarly, these aquatic animals cannot breathe on ground. Amphibious animals are those who live on ground as well as inside water. They have provision to breathe both inside the water as well as on the ground.
Aquatic life is very different in all respects than normal living beings. These animals are soft and delicate. Some of these are so delicate that they can die even from a small push. Therefore it is necessary to be aware of their life. Aquatic life is a beautiful life if think deeply. This aquatic life increases the beauty of this nature. They are an indispensable part of this nature. If aquatic life is so important, then everyone must take good care of it. Aquatic animals have added colors to this environment, and this has given a wide scope to the beauty of this nature.
Nature is nothing without aquatic life. If aquatic life is disturbed, then the colors of this nature may get stolen. Sea life, all life on Earth needs water for its survival. So the oceans play one of the most important roles for life on Earth. Water on Earth is 2/3 of the Earth's surface. Due to its depth, sea habitat covers about 300 times the habitable volume of the globe. About 230,000 species live in the sea.
New species are being discovered almost every day, and there doesn't seem to be an end to this process. Sea animals are very strange and very different from the animals on land. They are very complex and hard to understand. Marine animals have a great deal of diversity, from the microscopic, like the amoeba, to the huge whales which reach up to 98 feet in length. All types of life are found in sea, including birds, penguins, reptiles, sea turtles, sea snakes, invertebrates, jellyfish, shellfish, mammals, whales, dolphins, fungi, plants, and of course the fish. Large areas beneath the ocean surface still remain unexplored.
Marine life is very useful, providing food, medicine, and raw materials, in addition to helping to support tourism all over the world. Marine life helps determine the very nature of our planet. Many species are economically important to humans, including food fish. Also, the well-being of marine organisms and other organisms are linked in various ways. Our knowledge regarding the relationship between life in the sea and life on the land is rapidly growing, with new discoveries being made nearly every day. These relationships include those of matter, such as the carbon cycle, and of air, such as Earth's respiration.
Marine organisms contribute significantly to the oxygen cycle and are involved in the regulation of the Earth's climate. All life on Earth needs water for its survival, so the oceans play an important and significant role for life on Earth. Animals recently discovered in the deep sea are known to live under very extreme conditions, including darkness, high pressure, and drastic temperature changes.
On the ocean floor, hot fluids released from the hydrovents can reach 750 degrees Fahrenheit. In addition, little sunlight, if any, reaches beyond 3,000 feet, no wavelengths can be absorbed, and the world is dark. Consequently, deep-sea fish and other animals have acquired adaptations. Most people are familiar with the ocean's about life-only intertidal zone, also known as the littoral zone, where the organisms live close to the surface. Even though these zones contain an abundance of life because sunlight is available for photosynthesis, they only make up a small portion. The rest of the ocean is cold, dark, deep, scarce of food, with very high water pressure that only a few organisms can survive. The rest of the ocean is called deep sea.
Oceans host about 80% of the planet's biodiversity, and are the largest ecosystem on Earth. Fish provide almost 20% of animal protein to about 3 billion people. These animals have to survive the extreme pressure of the subphotic zones. The pressure increases by about 1 bar every 10 meters. To cope with the pressure, many fish are rather small. These creatures have also eliminated all excess cavities that would collapse under the pressure, such as swim bladders.
Sea animals like zooplankton are so small you can see them only with a microscope. Big fish swim through these waters too, such as great white sharks, manta rays, and ocean sunfish. The largest animal ever to live on Earth is an ocean mammal called the blue whale. It's as long as 2 school buses. The most popular of all marine species of the Gulf Coast is the bottlenose dolphin. Not only are dolphins one of the most intelligent and happy creatures in the world, they are also among the friendliest towards humans.
The most popular of all marine species of the Gulf Coast is the bottlenose dolphin. Not only are dolphins one of the most intelligent and happy creatures in the world, they are also among the friendliest towards humans. Whales, dolphins, porpoises, walruses, manatees, dugongs, seals, and sea otters are all mammals that live in the ocean. Some, like seals and sea otters, can also live on land, but they spend most of their time underwater.
Sharks are a special type of fish known because their body is made out of cartilage instead of bones like other fish. The classification of this type of fish is elasmobranch. This category also includes rays, sawfish, and skates.
Please share this video, subscribe to our channel.